Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail that how to rotate uh, an object in 3D. So you will learn in this video that how to rotate an object or a model in 3D. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So let's start that how to rotate a model in 3D. So first we will draw a model in 3D. So let's suppose click on this box and click here and assign the next dimension and then on this dimension and then enter. So now you can see this is a 3D model. This is the 2D view, the 2D frame, 3D frame view. And this is the 3D solid view. Now to rotate this object in 3D, so we will first select and then we will click on this 3D rotate. When you click on the 3D rotate, so this option will appear and it shows the axis through which you are interested to rotate your object. So if you are interested to rotate the object in this direction, mean in this red direction, so you will click here. Now you can see the object is going to rotate about the red line. So this is what we call the 3D rotation of a model about a fixed axis. So you can click anywhere to provide or assign the rotation. Now this figure has been rotated by certain angle. Now if you want to rotate this object about the another axis, so you will select and will then click on the 3D rotate. Now these three axes has been appeared, and in the previous we have rotated this object about this red axis. Now we want to rotate the object about this blue axis. So we'll click and then you can see object is rotating about this blue axis, blue color axis. And you can see you can rotate to the required value. Now we have to discuss the another type of rotation, the another rotation about the another axis. This is the green. So you will select and then we'll click on the 3D rotate and then we'll click on this line. So now you can see the object is going to rotate about the green axis, as you can see. So this was all about that how to rotate a 3D model in 3D. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video. When you enter, so the command will be deactivated and the object will be rotated to that required value. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.